Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, we will be making easy vegan Peruvian meal. So let's get right into it. To start off, we're going to be boiling potatoes. I am boiling about one for each person, so get it until it's nice and cooked. Okay, so for our vegan nacho cheese, we're going to start in a blender with 3/4 cup whole cashews for a good thickness. Then 1.5 cup of water. And 1 orange bell pepper for some color. And 2 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add in 2.5 tablespoons nutritional yeast. I'm using the Bragg nutritional yeast seasoning. I really recommend it. I think it's really good. Next up is half a teaspoon of salt or to your desired taste. And then 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. You can use less or more of this. This is just to give it some spice. Then we're going to add in a half lemon squeezed into juice and 1 carrot or 1/4 cup of carrot. Now let's put the lid on and we're going to blend this until we have a good consistency. After blending, we're going to place it in a hot pot and stir until you have a good texture. Now, we're putting it in a pot because it has cashews, and when cashews go into heat, they start to get thick. So, when you put it to heat, your nacho cheese should be getting thicker and thicker. You can turn it off when you have a good texture. Place the potatoes on top of some lettuce, and on top of the potatoes add the cheese and some olives. This is called Huancaina. It's a Peruvian meal from where my mom came. Enjoy! To see more videos like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified when I have a new video. Thanks for watching, guys!